It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What is up, everybody? Mark here with 𝗦𝗣𝗡𝗖𝗜, and today we're going to talk about TikTok. We're going to give you a little brief history on the app, why Uncle Trump wants to ban the app, and we're going to kind of do a little deep dive, so make sure you stay tuned. If you find value in this video, please at the end, punch the subscribe button in the face, tickle that like button so it turns blue, and share this video with a friend. I'd greatly appreciate it, and drop a comment down below. We love to get a conversation going. So, a little history about TikTok. It is owned by a Chinese company called ByteDance. Now, ByteDance is a multinational internet company headquartered in Beijing, China. It was founded by 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗏. Fun fact about 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗏 is apparently he is a Microsoft, or was a Microsoft executive. He worked for Microsoft. Now, recently, TikTok has been under a lot of heat from President Trump wanting to ban TikTok in the United States due to security concerns. There has also been some talk that TikTok and Microsoft have actually been in talks about being acquired. Microsoft is potentially going to buy TikTok. TikTok. It's a tongue twister. And apparently, President Trump did not like that idea. He still wanted to ban it and is on the verge of banning it and could ban it within the next couple days. He said early Friday, before this video was recorded, that he could ban TikTok as early as Saturday, which was today, and we haven't seen anything as far as banning happen yet. A lot of people were nervous. A lot of people were actually exiting TikTok, and it was like a mass exodus over to alternatives. I know Byte, who was started by the founder of Vine. It's an interesting app. It's definitely not anywhere close to TikTok because it doesn't tell you how many followers you have, how many likes, how many shares. It doesn't really give you all that information. It's not very user-friendly. You can find that out, but you got to dig in some settings to get it. Byte was actually paying influencers up to $2 an install to promote their app on TikTok and to get people that were worried about the ban to go over to their app. I actually capitalized on the event, and I was able to make about $150 today in a matter of 2 hours. I had a promotional link that I got from a company called Plug, and I was able to put that in my TikTok profile, send people there. When they went to download the app, I think it was like, it was $2 every app install. Byte is a free app, so it was coming out of their pockets. You know, they were paying influencers because they really wanted to corner this event and get people over to their platform. And I think they made a success, because a couple hours later, we got a email or message saying that they ran out of their budget. So, you know, they had to decrease the amount they were paying out to creators. Let's keep deep diving into TikTok and ByteDance. So ByteDance was founded by 𝗟𝗡𝗏𝗏, who is an executive, a former executive of Microsoft. So that's an interesting talk. You know, I wonder if, you know, there's people he knows within the company, and, you know, he wants to gain, you know, keep some type of control within TikTok. Who knows? You know, you never really know what's happening in those types of conversations. ByteDance actually owns a lot of other apps throughout the world as well. TikTok, or also known as Douyin. Douyin is the Chinese version of TikTok. They actually don't allow the TikTok version that we use in America and in, you know, Canada and Europe. They don't allow that one over in China, believe it or not. It's a Chinese-owned app. The communist government does not allow it over in China, but yet they have Douyin, which is a TikTok duplicate. It's actually the first version of TikTok that came out. It actually has a lot more features, a lot more enhanced features than the one that we have here in the States, and they don't mix the two. They don't let the one that we use there, and they don't let the one that they use here. It's communism. That's all I can say. It's communist China, and they like to control, and they like to just keep everything the way that they want it. So, you know, that's one of the reasons why President Trump is looking at banning the app, because of security concerns. ByteDance is the developer of Douyin, TikTok. And on November 2017, ByteDance acquired the social media company Musical.ly, which that was what TikTok was originally. It was Musical.ly. If you were on the app long enough, you know that Musical.ly was very, very similar to what it is now. They rebranded it. They kept the name TikTok. Acquired that for $1 billion. They combined the two, and in 2008, the single global application TikTok became very popular in public. As of November 2018, ByteDance had over 800 million daily active users. The company was valued at over $78 billion and is considered the most valuable unicorn in the world. Now, on May 2020, ByteDance and Disney went into a partnership, and they released an announcement that Kevin Mayer, who is the head of Disney streaming business, which owns Disney Plus and all the other Disney platforms out there, would become the new CEO of the United States-based or the America-based TikTok. And he's actually the COO, the Chief Operating Officer of ByteDance, and reports directly to the CEO, 𝗟𝗓𝗓𝗓, in China. So there's a really tight snuggle going on there as well between Disney, the CEO, or the who is he? He's not the CEO, the head of Disney streaming business, and the CEO of ByteDance in China. So there could be concerns there as well that President Trump is looking at. Now, one other place in the world actually banned TikTok. As of June 29th, 2020, the Indian government banned TikTok and 58 other Chinese apps, including UC Browser, Share-it, WeChat is the chatting app, Club Factory, Cam Scanner. Actually, I use Cam Scanner. I didn't know that was a Chinese. That's interesting. You know how many people scan financial documents and very important personal documents? Cam Scanner is a very popular app that you can scan documents with. I did not know that. That's interesting. I'll have to take that off my phone. But that happened. So the Indian government banned all those apps. So I think we're very close to, in America, very close to banning all those Chinese apps as well. And like part of me says, okay, that's fine. Let's, I understand that. And, part of me says, well, that sucks. But then the other part of me says, well, there's a big security concern, and I don't want any of my information, in the eyes of a communist Chinese government. Which you may think, well, they got better things to do than to spy at us peons. Realistically, once your information is there in their servers, in their country, in their computer system, in their internet, it's there for life. They own a piece of you. They know things about you. And if the SHIT hit the fan ever, you never know. You really never know what could take place. So it's something to be concerned about. So TikTok actually made a statement. We'll jump into this real quick. TikTok recently made a statement that...
I want to say thank you to the millions of Americans who use TikTok every day, bringing their creativity and joy into our daily lives. We've heard your outpouring of support, and we want to say thank you. We're not planning on going anywhere. TikTok is a home for creators and artists to express themselves, their ideas, and connect with people across different backgrounds. And we are so proud of all the various communities that call TikTok their home. I'm also proud of our 1,500 US employees who work on this app every day, and the additional 10,000 jobs that we're bringing into this country over the next 3 years. I'm thrilled about our US Creator Fund, where we just announced our $1 billion fund to support our creators. And when it comes to safety and security, we're building the safest app because we know it's the right thing to do. So we appreciate the support. We're here for the long run, and continue to share your voice here, and let's stand for TikTok.
So she really made it a point to say some very specific things in that. If you need to pause it and play it back, feel free to go ahead and do that. Now, this is actually U.S. General Manager Vanessa Pappas said in the video. So she's the U.S. General Manager of TikTok. She said, "We appreciate your support. We're here for the long run. Continue to share your voice, and let's stand up for TikTok." She also made mention that there's already 1,500 employees in the United States that work for the app, and over the course of the next 3 years, they're going to be deploying 10,000 jobs in the United States as well. So again, she's trying to stick things in there. She also mentioned that they are extremely safe and extremely secure, trying to stick things in there so hopefully when Trump or the White House administration hears this video, it'll ring in their ear that these are the things that they're concerned about. These are the things that they don't like. And these are the things that the solutions we're bringing to these problems, the solutions we're bringing to the table. So they're trying to look really good in Trump's eyes. So, you know, we're really not sure what's going to take place at this point, but a lot of people are freaked out. There's a lot of people that make a lot of money on TikTok. They make their living on TikTok with brand deals and affiliate marketing and commissions. And TikTok also announced there's going to be a fund for creators. It's called the Creator Fund. Let me look that up real quick. It's actually $200 million creator fund that TikTok is going to be launching. And they're going to be launching that very, very soon. The fund will grow to over $1 billion in the US in the next 3 years. Now this money will go to creators to create valuable and engaging content on the app. So they're going to be doing that. That's actually big because they're competitors with YouTube at this point, and YouTube pays their content creators really good money through ad revenue and other services that they provide, membership services and all that different stuff. So they're trying to level up. They're trying to get to that place where these other big boy companies are at. I hope you appreciated this update, guys. Remember to subscribe. Please click that like button, drop a comment down below, and share this video with your friends. I hope to do more updates, and I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.